guys, this is Jamie Little Tallulah Poetspice, and I am here to do this month's Stuff It collab video. In this collab, we are using anything that you can put stuff into, either for storage for yourself or to give away as gifts. So stuffed envelopes, boxes, baskets, teapots, what else can you stuff? Gift bags, purses, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to play along, you can do that. There's a hashtag in the description box below. Also, you might want to check that box down there. All the other participants in my collab are there as well, so don't forget to go hop on over to their videos and see those. And yeah, so definitely at the end, like, subscribe, share. We'd all appreciate it. So I'm going to show you my items that I used. I pulled out some papers from my get rid of de-stash pile, and then I pulled out my Tonic. You guys know I do love a Tonic die, so I did a tutorial. I'll try to remember to link that below, but I did a tutorial when it came to the Winter Wonderland baubles that they came out with last year. So I used this one, and I did this one, which is the Winter Wonderland small gift box. I just love this squatty little box. It's so cute. And they have all these little decorations and stuff that you can add. Obviously it was released for Christmas time, but there are other decorations that you can use that aren't quite Christmassy. Okay, so I used those two sizes. Paper from my de-stash bin. And then I will show you. I just did a few. I didn't go overboard with the decorations because the paper was pretty, you know, in and of itself. So here's one of those bubble ones. And the fun thing is you could use it and you could put gifts in it. You can make them and hang them from your tree. You can make them and hang them as a lantern. If you did some cut-in details, which there's all kinds of dies to do that, you could put a tea light in it, and then it could be like a centerpiece for your table, or put a tea light in it, or you know, one of those electric or battery operated candles and so forth. So there's all kind of things you could do with them depending on how you use the dies. I just used the plain die itself, and you see how much detail there is, like as far as the folding, and then the I was gonna say fabric. the paper is just gorgeous as well. It's got that rose gold coppery color in it. So then I did another one using this one, and it's got those painterly spots on it, which I love. And I did the tag, and I cut it twice so you could back it and make it into a little, put a name tag on it or something. You can see it has an embossed detail. And then, like I said, you could do all this cut-in work with these. So the third one I made was the squatty one, which I love the squatty one. And I used some paper from first edition, and this paper is from the pad I used in my December daily one year and so forth. So here's this one, so you can see the paper, and then I used some of this paper just to do some little accents in the foldy part. And then once again, I took the tags and double-sided them so that they would look neat on both sides. Now, if you open it, all you have to do is take this little slotted piece, and you can open it. You just have to make sure when you do your decorations that you don't glue them down in the wrong place. And then these I have tied, but you just untie it and then you can open it. So those are my 3 boxes this time. So definitely go check out the other ladies who are in the collab and have fun. Make some boxes and some purses and do the hashtag so we can see yours. All right, thanks for watching. See you later and have a good day. Stay safe.